Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove items from your cart in the eBay app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the eBay app, and on the top right corner you already see that I have some items in my cart, 3 items. And if you would like to remove, tap on remove, or you can save it for later. Like you are not ordering right now, you just save for later. And I will tap on that, and here it just remained one item in my cart, and I can order it or remove it or just save it for later. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.